Hello everyone, my name is Devita Frilia with NPM 2341195 from class Accounting 2038. Okay, in this video, I will explain about the material is Principles of Corporate Governance. Okay, let's see. Definition of good corporate governance. Good corporate governance is a system and set of principles that govern how a company is managed in a sound, transparent, and responsible manner to achieve its objectives effectively and efficiently. The implementation of good corporate governance involves managing the relationship between management, the board of directors, shareholders, and other stakeholders to ensure they are balanced and in compliance with applicable regulation, thereby enhancing company performance, building trust, and creating sustainable long-term value. Search of corporate governance principles. The principles of good corporate governance are based on international guidelines developed by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, which serve as a framework for establishing transparent, accountable, and effective corporate governance. In Indonesia, these principles have been adopted and further developed by the National Governance Policy Committee to align with the national conditions and regulation, enabling companies to implement them to enhance performance and build stakeholder trust. Objective and principle of corporate governance. Improving company performance. Good governance helps companies operate more effectively through clear oversight and decision-making system, resulting in more efficient and productive operation. Protecting stakeholder interests. Good governance ensures that all stakeholders, such as shareholders, employees, and the community, are treated fairly and that the rights are not overlooked, building investor confidence. With transparency and accountability in corporate governance, investors will feel more confident about investing their capital because the company is perceived as safer and more trustworthy. And the last, preventing fraud. Effective control and oversight system within corporate governance can minimize the occurrence of fraud or abuse of authority by internal parties. Principle of good corporate governance. Principle of transparency. Companies must be open in providing relevant, accurate, and timely information to stakeholders. Principle of accountability. A company must have clear function, structure, and lines of responsibility in the management of the organization. Principle of responsibility. Companies must comply with laws and regulations and act in socially responsible manner towards society. And principle of independence, the company must be managed professionally, free from conflict of interest or pressure from any party. And the last, the principle of fairness. Companies must treat all stakeholders fairly and equally. The importance of implementing good corporate governance. The implementation of good corporate governance is crucial for maintaining a company's stability and sustainability, as a sound governance system enables the company to operate in a more focused and controlled manner. Furthermore, good corporate governance helps build investor confidence through transparency and accountability in corporate management and foster a healthy, fair, and sustainable business environment for all stakeholders. Factors supporting corporate governance. A strong corporate culture. A corporate culture that upholds ethics, integrity, and professionalism will encourage all employees to act in accordance with the principle of good governance. Internal control system. The internal control system serves to monitor and ensure that all company activities are conducted in accordance with procedure, thereby preventing errors and fraud. Regulatory compliance. Companies must comply with all applicable regulations and laws to ensure their operations are legal, safe, and free from legal penalties. The active role of management and the board. Management and the board of commissioners must play an active role in overseeing, making decisions, and ensuring that the principles of good corporate governance are properly implemented across all levels of the company. Example of companies that implement good corporate governance. One example of a company that implements good corporate governance is PT Bank Mandiri Persero Tbk, which consistently upholds the principle of transparency, accountability, and strict oversight in all of its operational activities. This evident in the public disclosure of financial reports, the implementation of a robust internal control system, and the active role of the Board of Commissioners and the Audit Committee in overseeing management performance, thereby maintaining the trust of the public and investors. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.